What's going on, y'all? AttorneyTom here. We're going to play Case or No Case, where we're going to watch dumb people doing dumb things on the internet, and I'm going to tell you whether or not they have a case.
It's time for everyone's favorite game, Case or No Case. Is there a case? It depends.
Before we go any farther, I'm just going to take a wild guess and say, yes, this is almost most certainly a case of negligence. If you ever get hit or injured by a runaway ambulance, hire a lawyer. I have no idea how my editors want me to react to this clip. Are you a biker? Were you injured by a puddle? Good. You fucking piece of shit. Yes, that is a case. Hire a lawyer. Oh! Yeah, that's gonna be operator error. No case here. For sure, operator error. No case. I do want to watch it again, though. Oh! Still no case.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Memes. That's it. That was my comment. Oh! Poor guy. What was that, iced tea? Did he get all the iced tea? Oh. I mean, to be fair, he didn't say my pleasure the last time he gave somebody their meal.
It is my pleasure to serve you.
I mean, this is Chick-fil-A. We have high standards. Maybe it's a workers' comp case, but it doesn't look like he was injured. He's laughing it off. He's taking it on the chin.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Oh! Oh, damn! You know what? I'm gonna assume this guy's okay because this is kind of a personal note. I had a family member whose car was severely damaged when she took it to an auto repair place. She went in for light repairs, and what she got was a car that was basically totaled. I represented her pro bono. I normally don't do that area of law, but what are you gonna do? It's a family member. We got the mechanic shop to pay up. So it's a case. I'm gonna say case. It's a case. Rip to the car. Oh! You know what? That's about as good as that could have turned out. That was actually a pretty soft landing. Good for him. Good for him. Also, no case. Operator error. It was not the, how can I say this? You can't blame anybody for, driving on a 70-degree incline.
Okay, guys. How y'all like my daughter's first car? I just purchased her first car. No, you ain't rich. You ain't got no money. Hey guys, this is an hour after I bought her new car.
Rip. So I remember the day I got my license. Immediately after I got my license, I had to drive about an hour and a half north on the freeway. And I'm lucky I didn't hurt myself or anybody else. I just think about, driving is so freaking dangerous. What the hell? Yeah, man, you know, when you get your license, that's tough. Also, can we talk about the mom posting this on TikTok? I don't know if my child got into an accident their first hour of driving, if I would post it on TikTok. Actually, you know, if they were okay, maybe, because it's embarrassing and it's kind of funny. You know what? I don't know. I don't know what my thoughts are on this.
Huge. Well, that's not even half of them. I got all these stumps over here. I mean, look at this shit, dude. It's
Oh, absolutely a case. If my contractor did this to my house, I would make him pay for it. Yes. Case. Oh. No case, assumption of the risk. They clearly weren't meant to be on that thing. They both agreed to it, but it is funny.
How my date went last week.
It scared me. What do y'all think? Case or no case? You know what? She obviously doesn't have the damages to justify a case, but let's just say she did have said damages. I mean, I think you could make a case. Extreme recklessness, negligence, obviously negligence. Did she assume the risk by filming? Maybe. Probably not, though. Yeah, I'm gonna go case. I'm gonna go case. Obviously, she's not hurt that bad, which is good. We don't want people to get hurt, but, you know, trying to make content here. You get the point. Oh! Case. Now, the key with this kind of case is you're going to have to be able to differentiate the damages sustained from the fall versus the damages they've already sustained, right? I mean, obviously, the ambulance is there to pick them up because they are injured. So a big part of this case would be, you know, the ambulance service or whatever company saying, hey, listen, we know we dropped them, but it didn't cause any additional damage because, you know, they were already clearly severely hurt. You get the point. It kind of gets confusing, but yeah, it's not supposed to happen. Oh, it depends. It depends. Whose house is this? Is he renting this house? Does he have a landlord? Is he at a guest? Is he a guest at somebody's house? Does he have a homeowner's insurance policy? Your floor isn't supposed to, you know, open up a void to the earth when you jump in your house. Could be a case. It's just going to depend on who owns the house, where he is, all that kind of stuff.
Micah, what do lawyers wear to work?
I don't know. Briefs?
That's a good answer. But no, lawsuits.
Oh my God.
Round of applause. That was a good joke, and it was a good answer. You know, briefs, lawsuits, those both work.
Only in Portland they do this kind of
case. Absolutely a case. If that hurts somebody, I don't even know where to start. I mean, obviously, just so many things wrong with that. You can't. If I saw that thing on the road, I would get as far away from it as possible.
bam.
What? There's another car? Are you telling me this wasn't the car?
Bam. Nothing but horsepower. Check it out.
That's the small car. You're telling me this car is towing everything? Oh, bro. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, my name is Attorney Tom. I represent the hurt victims. There's a concept in the law called res ipsa loquitur, which essentially means that the thing speaks for itself and that the existence of an accident implies negligence because the thing was just so outlandish. Exhibit A.
Portland, they do this kind of bam. Nothing but horsepower. Check it out.
I'm seeking $100 million.
When you try to be the main character.
No case, because if he got hurt doing this, he's clearly deviating from the allowed use of not negligent rider should be doing. Normal rider should just be laying there like this person, not trying to also be Spider-Man.
And that's it for this week's episode of Case or No Case. Thanks for stopping in.
All right, that's it for today's video. Bye.
He's a catastrophic injury attorney who accidentally became a YouTuber. Attorney Tom.